All right, guys, bright and early on a Saturday morning. You know what time it is. It's time for garage sales. My name is Ashley and I go find treasures at garage sales. And if you come along with me, I hope that we find some really good stuff today. Hi, can I check out with you? Yeah, I think so.
Here, let's do this. This is yours. How much do you want for this?
Yeah, I'll go through all my stuff.
27.
Okay.
Hi. Yeah. What do you think for all this?
Let's do, what do you think about, like 10 bucks?
That sounds great. Yeah.
10.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You can go see she is. We have one of those.
I bought her before.
Hi.
You ready?
Yes, I am.
Hey, awesome. And how much were the shoes? Do you remember?
They were 10.
Yeah. Okay.
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 change.
Awesome. Yeah. I think
Okay.
I do have change.
Thank you. Hi. So I paid for these over there,
Okay.
and then everything else was from this side.
Okay. Perfect.
Here, and then a bag, and then the rest are. I don't. I think I'm actually at 23. There you go. Thank you so much.
He'll be here in like 5 minutes.
Great.
Mackenzie's a shoe.
Sorry,
It's not mine.
Oh, okay.
Do you know how much they were?
It was right over there in that pile. Could you do 10? Because it's kind of worn.
Sure.
All right.
That's fine.
Let's do 10. Thank you so much.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Hustle at Home Mom. You can check me out.
Okay.
And I'm sorry in advance.
Yeah, I know what I don't really care.
Okay, good. Thank you.
I know what.
Cruey's just right here in his high chair.
Eating his
Hi,
crackers
buddy. Let me
with
take a
his
video.
new teeth.
Do you have teeth now? He gets a little bit sad if we're not close to him, of course. So this yard sale, I had stuff in my arms to buy, and then a teenage guy, which I don't blame him. He can do whatever he wants. But he pulled them out. And he's like, no, I'm not going to sell these. And I was like, okay. There you go.
And then I'll let you bargain with him on that stuff if you want it.
Can you do 5?
I can't. I was thinking like $2 for the shirts.
Okay. I think I'll hold off. These were like. I'm sorry.
No worries. Yeah.
Oh, he lived there.
Yeah.
Like his
I
parents
was
were trying to sell his stuff.
I guess, and he was like, he just pulled it out of my
What
stack
was
and
it?
was like, no, it was a Nike Just Do It hoodie. That was like that retails for like $85.
Darn.
Could have been at least $40, and then a couple T-shirts. He wanted $5 per T-shirt, but I just didn't want to pay that. So
Garage sale law, you're bound to sell it to me.
okay, the next yard sale, some Vera Bradley again. Vera Bradley backpack and a tote. They all match, and this little like wallet crossbody. I only paid a few dollars for these, so I'm hoping to sell everything together for like $100.
Cool.
Yeah,
That's a good find.
yeah. Some Vans. I really like picking up Vans. They're such a standard. Like they sell quick. They're great. If I clean them up with a magic eraser, they could sell for like $30 every time. Soft surroundings. Do you guys know it's just one of my, again, bread and butter, just very basic. It just sells decently well, $25, $30. I think that's what I tend to sell. $5 or a few dollars into $25, $30 is really standard for me. So it may not be super exciting, but this is what keeps my store running. Another soft surroundings, and I thought this was cool because it's embroidered at the top, and it's like a little tunic. Yeah, this should sell great. $30. This Adidas Trefoilty I was gonna keep for me, but it's like in really good condition and it's newer, so I think, I don't know, $15. I paid $1 for it. At this yard sale, I got Kinross cashmere. I've picked this up before. I like picking up cashmere. Just an open front ribbed cardigan. It's like $30.
Oh, okay.
Some Jeffrey Campbell booties, Chelsea boots. These will probably like, I have to clean them up a little bit. Yeah, but they're probably like 40 bucks. Some Fox Racing houndstooth shorts. I've picked up this brand before, Fox Racing. Probably like maybe 30 bucks for these. Like they sell well. It sells well. They weren't messing around. They were like, they wanted certain prices at this. So Co-op Cycles, it's like in the same vein as Fox Racing. Maybe like $25 for those. Blank NYC, like just distressed jeans. I actually picked these up for me. I think they're cool. Gastra, it's like a men's brand, a sweater. Retails for quite a bit. I think I could sell this for like, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks.
Bread and butter.
Yeah, we're finding bread and butter. Okay, this is exciting. This was the exciting one.
Shave kit.
I grabbed this not really knowing this brand. The brand is, this is Ground Los Angeles. It felt nice. Like the leather felt really nice. And I looked inside and it's like a men's, what would you call this?
Like a shave kit? Like a
I guess
toiletries kit?
A toiletries kit, thank you, yes.
I called it.
So they sold it to me for $3. When I looked up comps on eBay, I think this is like $100.
Wow.
Their backpacks sell for $300. Their leather brand is really, really nice. So they even have toiletry kits, like toiletry kit bags that they give first class and business class passengers on like certain airlines. And people will sell just the business class toiletry bag for $30 or $40. Nice. So I think this is not a toiletry bag from, I looked, I was like, wait, because that would reduce the price. But I do think I can get like $100 for this little toiletry bag.
Cool.
Which is great. This backpack, he wanted 15 and I asked for 10 because they're like, it's got some, I'm gonna need to get these little pilling things off. It's got, it's gonna need a little TLC, just a little bit, but it's called a Kelty Red Wing hiking backpack. Pre-owned, these sell for like $80.
Wow.
So it's a good, yeah.
Cool.
Plus a lot of shipping, I know. I don't want to get you mad. Plus a lot of shipping.
Actually does tend to do $5 shipping on the biggest items she sells, and she's like, oh, whoops, I thought it was under £1.
I do not do that. This is a Champion reverse weave. You guys know I like picking this up, especially when I can get it for like $1, which I did. It has the little embroidered logo on the sleeve here. It's just like a heavy duty sweater. It's like in the same vein as Carhartt, I would say, as far as like comps. Probably 20, 25 bucks for this. Made well. This is like a cheetah print, super soft sweater. It looks barely worn. Yeah, it's just from 2019, so it's not super old yet. I have like a 3-year policy with Madewell. It's got to be within the last 3 years or else I don't pick it up. But yeah, I think this should sell for like 35 bucks. It's cute. Some more Vans, pink Vans, and another easy 25 bucks. Okay, this was kind of a surprise. The brand is called Fit Flop.
Oh, Fit Flop.
Fit Flop. And I looked up, I was like, okay, and this was in the pile of just all kinds of stuff. Couple dollars for these. Yeah, when I looked up comps for these, they were in like the $30 range for some flip-flops. So that's not bad, and they're in good condition. Okay, these were cool. I did pay $10 for these, but these are Altra. I love selling Altra. It's like an outdoor activewear trail running sneaker. These are the Impulse Flash running shoes. She said her husband wore these like once, and it looks like they were worn just once. So they look to be in really good condition. Okay, so there is a comp for these for like $70. So wow. I do think I'm gonna price these higher because they're basically barely worn. Yeah, I think about $70 is fair for these. I think they'll sell great.
Cool.
Probably like, I think I paid less than $100 for this.
Wow.
So yeah, a really good Saturday. You know, not my best Saturday, but I think it was still a decent Saturday. I found some really cool stuff, and hey, maybe I gave you guys some things to look out for while you're looking too. Well, Crewy's done. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. I love it when you like my videos and you subscribe. It means so much to me. I really do try to make videos that are fun and helpful for you. So
look, he's so happy for you.
He's clapping for me.
Way to go. Mom, you did it. I go to college one day.
You go to college, huh? Yeah. Maybe you could learn to sell people's trash too.
Yeah.
Huh. I hope he aims higher. Well, thanks you guys so much. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.